Here's how you can make Uncle Chuck anyways. Just delete front hand and real hair 29. Ponytail 76 for spikes. Tail for 53 for other spikes. 23 for body. 16 for legs. 121 for socks. 83 for shoes. 56 for spikes. 29 for tail. 34 for mustache? I don't know. 67 for eyebrows. And I don't know what's that, but okay. $43, $49 for the white stuff. 97 for eyes. 999 for pimples. $59.62 for stomach. And as for you delete front arm. $31.65 for arm glove. 3 for other glove. And I think that's it. Oh wait, the nose. I am trying my best to make good content for you guys. So I hope you like it and hope you enjoy your new Sonic characters. $35.73 for nose. And that's it. Oh yeah, for the color. If my camera can. Okay. Pause and copy. And press copy and just paste everything. Color 2, color 2, color 1, color 2, outline, anything. Oh yeah, for skin. Pause and copy. Oh yeah. 24 for sleeves, arms. It's the same color as for skin. The same color for skin. Same color. Outline black. Color 2 white. And for shoes, pause and copy, pause and copy. And that's it. Oh yeah. Pause and copy. Oh, I forgot. Pause and copy, pause and copy, pause and copy, pause and copy, pause and copy. And for that, pause and copy, pause and copy. And that's it. See you later, guys.